This is the Ethereum one-day reading for June 27, 2023. It's currently May 18th, 2023, 8:36 p.m. Eastern Time. Ethereum at the time of this reading currently $1,803.61. That's USD. And the shuffle file for June 27th was created on May 6, 2023 at 11:27 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a period of volatility and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of volatility. When we look at the 1 month, however, we have a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline. So it's going to be a mixed day. We have conflicting kind of energies going at it. Both of them, however, are kind of like swingy kind of energies. Behavior around the high, it's nullified, so a little difficult to determine. The prudence card, always you should always be cautious. In the high position, it most likely means multiple false tops of some kind, and then behavior out of the low, we have an unexpected move higher even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds. It'll stand out on a one-day chart out of the low. I'm advised to trade around sideways rotation along key support that rises to meet the nearest resistance and then falls back down and continues rotating sideways along that same support. And the volume overall also kind of mixed, I think, overall to the downside though. So here in the first couple of hours we have it looks like a trade opportunity out of this fast sudden move higher, taking us to a peak or crest here. In the last hours it was like a fast sudden move higher ending a period of decline, going from a low into a high. That high somewhere here in the first 2 hours of trading marks an opportunity to open up a short position, and there's a sharp drop here in the first 2 hours of trading. Between 2 and 4 a.m., however, out of that decline, there's a big move from the bottom of a range to the top of a range, and then we decline again between 4 and 6 a.m. That decline offers opportunity to close the short position opened earlier, and also to open up a long position possibly there. I probably wouldn't open that long position. I'd just close the short position, but there's a key resistance here highlighted between 6 and 8 a.m. Volume will kind of like, or volatility will kind of like flatten out there. Between 8 and 10 a.m. out of oversold territory, there's a big move to the upside, or either that or it's a big move higher to fill a previous gap down. That big move higher is kind of contained within this volatility. There's a correlation here in orange to the Queen of Swords. So it's kind of contained, and we see more volatility in the 10 to 12 o'clock hour where we see a low. However, remember, out of that low, there's a big move higher. It's a lot of back and forth, guys. There's a big move higher. So out of this low that we see between 10 and noontime, big move higher, taking us to the establishment of support at old resistance. That support doesn't hold, and we decline again between noon and 2 p.m. through multiple support levels. Between 2 and 4 p.m., we meet the between 2 and 4 p.m. there's a notable rally. It'll really stand out on the day's chart, and that takes us to the upper end of a range where we poke through resistance 3 times, followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke between somewhere between 4 and 6 p.m. at a peak or crest there around the 5:45 p.m. hour. There's a trade opportunity in the midst of some bullish price swings there. We likely have a highest high towards the end of the day, probably towards the end of the day here. Bullish price swings, a bit of a holding pattern after a crest around 8 p.m., a bit of a holding pattern, and then another big move between 10 and midnight, another big move to the upside, successfully turning resistance into new support. And that's Ethereum for June 27th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma, guys. If you want to keep profiting from the information, don't let yourself down. Don't let us down. Do the right thing. Follow that rule of karma, guys. We're giving this information away for free, for the most part, with the intent that it helps even the playing field. What we need in return is for people to send that 5% back to the channel, keep us going through Cashapp, PayPal, Venmo, or Wise. I know everybody's name who does that, guys. You guys are awesome. I call you my angel investors. Hopefully, you're also donating 5% of the profits back forward to one of these charities. That'll leave you with 90% of the profits left over. Make sure you spend that out of love. Follow those rules, my friend, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. I'll see you on the next one.